Guys, teach your children English just for them to be able to communicate with other people. You understand me? I said, if your pikin na Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, teach that your pikin English for him or her to be able to what? Communicate with others. You understand me? Now, very simple thing, because in Nigeria, English is our lingua franca. You understand me? Yes. If not, if to say Nigeria homogeneous population, right? Yes. For instance, if Nigeria Igbo state, yes, we can be able to what? Be speaking Igbo. Yes, make Igbo to what? Dominate. If now Hausa state, if now Yoruba state, the same goes, right? But since now state that it is made of what? Different what? Languages, different population with different what? Culture, tradition, and what? Languages, man. Teach your Pekin that English. May she be or he be able to what? Communicate with what? Others. But don't flog that your Pekin when she speaks Igbo, when he speaks Igbo. You understand me? Don't flog your Pekin when she or he speaks what? Yoruba or Hausa. Don't even do it. What is all this? Let's now. This statement was made by what? Yu Edochie. I lifted this right up from his what? Platform. Now let's stop. Let us hear what he wrote. Yes, teach children English. It's important and crucial for communication. But don't flog them for speaking their mother tongue. Yes, that's unacceptable. That's slavery mentality which Oyibo people stuffed our brains with. Will a Chinese man or woman ever flog a Chinese child for speaking Chinese? No way. Never make your fellow African feel inferior for being African. We are just normal Africans, man, with our normal doings, okay? If we are not proud of who we are as Africans and where we come from, we will never know where we are headed, honestly. This statement was really made by what? Yu Edochie. I mean, this write-up, honestly, and when I saw it this morning, I felt good. I afterwards save it, saying that I must make a video with that man because he made sense. You know that our filtered bro, that our fine bro, you get me? That our runaway husband, honestly. Sometimes they make mistake, but most times he will just want to what? Generate traffic on his platform, and he will just make a statement when not just makes it at all. When you see that statement, that is, it could be you make you just knock him out. You understand me? Now, very important now. So the fact remains that see his statement or his write-up is very evident, very, very clear to what? Understand, to comprehend, man. See, teach your children that English, that grammar, that whatever, for him or her to be able to what? Communicate with others that doesn't hear his own or her own mother tongue. But the moment he speaks his own mother tongue, no flog my talk, not even try am. If you be my wife and my son now, we dey stay for Port Harcourt or Lagos or anywhere, man, come speak Igbo, and you come flog am, I go knock you abako. I mean better. What is all this about Ekpo? That is why most of our Igbo people based in Lagos State don't know how to speak Igbo. Most of our Igbo people who are based in Lagos State don't know how to speak Igbo, but they can finish Yoruba. Yes, they can finish Yoruba well because the environment now, Yoruba environment, man, then followed by what? Broken or English. You understand me? Teach your child your mother tongue in your house. Parents, any parents will be saying the Pekin no sabi speak Igbo. I must blame you. I will not blame the Pekin. Now you, I go blame. I have my cousins based in USA. The Pekin sabi speak Igbo because in the house, the parents they teach them Igbo. Even our normal mother's tongue, I mean our dialect, what very important. Teach your Pekin, that's Igbo, your mother tongue. If you're in Lagos, Port Harcourt, anywhere where you dey. That is why most of our Igbo people where they not, they sabi speak Igbo well. They are Pekin. Unlike most of the Pekin, them where they Lagos State. I mean, the Pekin, them where they Lagos State, no sabi speak Igbo. What did they happen himself? What is all this? You guys should stop this. What is all this about guys? Teach your Pekin that English to communicate, fine and good. But make sure that she or he knows how to speak the mother tongue very well, Chinese. I rest my case.